And as we told you earlier, fans of school competitions could soon be able to cheer on their favorite teams should the Inter-Secondary School Sports Association ISSA receive government clearance. School sports have been slowly returning since the COVID-19 pandemic, and accompanying protocols resulted in a major disruption. Here's Karen Madden with the update.
The popular boys and girls athletics championships returned to the National Stadium in May, following a one-year absence, and that was followed by the Manning and the Costa Cup football competitions. But their return, though welcomed by the student athletes and their coaches, was staged without fans. Aside from the atmosphere of fans, it also meant a hit in the budget of the governing body for school sports. Now, ISSA President Keith Wellington has revealed that his association has applied to the government for approval for a limited number of fully vaccinated fans to watch all football games starting in January.
We have asked for specific numbers based on the venues that we hope to have these games. So as things stand now, we are hoping that in January we'll be using Stadium East, the National Stadium proper, Catherine Hall, States and Manchester High for the games that are left. So based on the capacity of each of those venues, we have asked for a specified number that I don't wish to disclose just yet for each venue. The numbers for each venue will vary.
And Wellington, who is also principal of St. Elizabeth Technical, gave an update on the resumption of other sports, including girls' football.
Track and field cricket, girls' football, hockey would be second-term competition. So we are looking to include all of those competitions along with basketball and netball, which should have taken place during the first term. So we want to play netball. We know that netball is probably the prime sport for our females. They have already missed 1 year. That's 2020. And so we don't want to go into 2022 without giving them an opportunity to play netball. So we are actually planning to play netball starting in January. That is one of the reasons why we have pushed for the girls' football too, because some of the girls will play multiple sports.
The Manning and the Costa Cup competitions are now at the quarter-final round stages, following which they will break for 2 weeks before the semi-final rounds begin in January. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.